Oh no! What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma EXB 8S, Outcast, and Kraton. This ain't really a comparison, but just want to get both these little monsters out here. Oh, that gear is not right. Yeah, that gear is wrong. That gear is not gonna hold out. There's something wrong with them gears. I knew it. Okay, I'm at a new location. Running both on 8S. Plus I had to fix some things on here. One of my tie rods is broke, adjustable tie rod, but I don't know why it's making that noise. Still 100% yet. Still moving pretty good though. Fix them brakes, I'll tell you that much. Alright, the fan was off. Nice and calibrated. I'm not too sure if I calibrated it first, but I should have. Want to see if that whining noise means something. Cause I got it got it meshed right. I don't know why it's making that noise. I lock tight the screws, the pinion on there. And she holding up pretty good. Hopefully nothing is broken. Oh, nothing broke. My thing is I don't understand that whining noise, but please ain't on your feet. There's an awkward little bump right there. that suspension working. See, I like this park a little better because there's nobody around, so I can kind of that's what I'm talking about. Love to see the suspension working like that. Up, the pinion came off. Let's see what I did here. Oh shoot. Neither. The tire came loose. What is going on? Oh man, tire came loose. Yeah, I love doing it like that. Off on 75. As long as it don't flip. Oh no! I gotta adjust the suspension because that should have not happened. Oh my. Oh my. Outcast held out, just the wheel came off, so. Yeah, this got way more speed to it. Oh man, I'm tearing this up today. But I did want to bring it up here because of the, the ground up here. I gotta adjust the suspension. I see what it is. Gotta adjust that suspension because I didn't mess with this suspension yet. All right, let's try the grass again. Made it that time. gas. All right, I had it on 75%. I think I'm gonna leave it on 75%. That's why I kind of like the factory these controllers. I like the other one better, but I like these because you can control the speed better. So certain places you don't need all that speed, so you can adjust it. Taking abuse today because I crashed like 3 or 4 times in a row. I usually don't do that. Yeah, Outcast needs some work though. Definitely needs some work. I want to do another jump. Whoa! Yo, this thing is a monster, man. Can't see it. I definitely put it through its durability test today. Ugh. Yeah, it had its durability test today, so. This thing is a monster. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.